Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing
Easter basket!
an Easter basket. So come join us for an easy step-by-step drawing.
Yay!
Right everyone, so let's get started on the Easter basket. Are you ready for Easter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so excited. So first thing we're gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line right here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come across. I'm gonna just try to draw a straight line, just as straight as possible. And I'm gonna stop right here. You see how I left some space right here?
Yeah.
Just draw a straight line. Cool, good job. And then we're gonna draw the basket part, right? So the basket's right under. And the basket, I'm gonna come down like this, and I'm just gonna curve the bottom a little bit. And then do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna come down a little bit, and then I'm just curve it at the end. Perfect. And then we're gonna connect that. So look, I'm gonna make, oh, you fixed the other curve, good job.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna make a loop to just connect both lines. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna make a little curve, and I'm just gonna connect the lines. Look at that, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So right in the center and just right above, almost at the top of the paper, we're gonna make a little bow for the basket. So what I'm gonna do is, right in the middle, I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna draw two horizontal lines just like this. Perfect, 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 perfect. And then to connect the lines, I'm just gonna make a curve like this and a curve like this. And perfect, look at that, I love it. And then we're gonna draw the bows. So the bow is kind of gonna look like a heart. So look, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna curve and make a little loop. And then I'm gonna make another one the other way. I'm gonna curve and make a loop, and that's the bow. And I'm gonna do the other side while he does that one, so you could do it. Oh my god, you did so good. Good job. So then we're gonna put the paper back like that. We could finish the bow, so you know how bows have like the little strings? We're gonna draw those, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in the middle of what we drew here. I'm gonna come down, and I'm gonna make another line that comes down a little bit more. You see how this one's a little longer?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just draw two vertical lines coming down. Yeah, perfect. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go as if I was drawing a square, right? And then I'm gonna go like this. And that's like the bows. Let's try this side again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down vertical again. Perfect. And then I'm gonna make another one that's just a little longer. Perfect. Then I'm gonna come across like this, horizontal. I'm gonna go up vertical. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come to this line, I'm gonna go horizontal and then go up to that line. Oh, look at that, good job, puppy. And then we're gonna make the basket, like the part that we hold from the basket. So really all we have left is the part that we hold and then the eggs, which is gonna be super fun. So what I'm gonna do is from this corner, right here,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up and then I'm gonna curve in to make the basket. Just one curve, not a lot of loops, just one little curve. And then we'll copy the same curve that we made on the inside. So I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna come up, and then I'm gonna curve it in. I just copied that same line that you did. Good job.
Nice.
And then what we did here, we're gonna do on this side, okay? Oh, go higher, go higher. You're crazy, boy. That's too big. It looks cool though, I like it. It's very unique. Wow. And then what we have left is just to draw the eggs, and the eggs are super cool and fun. So what we're gonna do is, look, I'm gonna start with one egg right here. So the egg, you know what an egg shape looks like, right? It kind of looks like an oval. We're gonna make an egg. It looks like an oval a little bit, right?
Yeah.
The shape of an oval. Oh, that's tiny, puppy. That's really small. That's okay. And then we're gonna draw another egg right next to it. So I'm gonna copy the same size egg that I drew. I'm just gonna make like an oval. And the only thing is I just stop here because this is the basket. We don't pass that line. Hey, good job. Those are your eggs. I love them. I'm gonna draw a really big one right next to it. So this egg is gonna be hiding behind the handle, and I'm just gonna make like an oval. I love it. I'm gonna draw another egg right here. I'm gonna draw a big one just like I drew last time. I'm gonna draw one right here. I'm just gonna make like an oval shape, not passing through the handles. Wow, look at that. Your eggs are so cool. Awesome. Eggs are like oval, so they're like more round. So we're just gonna draw another egg right here. I just drew another big one. And I stopped right there because I'm gonna make another one right here that's gonna go over it. So I'm gonna come like this and like this. And that's all the eggs that I'm drawing today. Perfect. Oh, look at your Easter basket. I love it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna draw the details of the basket and then we're gonna design the eggs however we want. So look, Bobby, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another curved line or a straight line. I'm just gonna make one right under here. And then the details of the baskets are gonna be striped lines. So look, you could turn your paper like this. And I'm gonna make striped lines going like this. So I'll show you, look. I'm gonna start with one line like this. And then I'm gonna do another one right next to it. And they look like stripes, right? So I'm just gonna keep going like this. And I'm gonna go through the whole basket and do that, okay? So you could start and just make, just make like striped lines. You get it? So look, you could start right here. Look, good job. Perfect, perfect. And then just do that through your whole basket, okay? You're so good at this. You love to draw, right, Lennox?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're such a good drawer. I always see what you draw. Lennox is super patient when he draws. He sits through and watches all the videos. So yeah, good job. And do that through the whole basket. So while Lennox does that, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm just gonna do it the opposite way. You could keep going, Bobby. Do it all the way through. I'm just gonna do it the opposite way so it has an effect. And I'm just gonna go this way. You're doing so good.
Thank you.
I'm gonna just go the opposite way so it has the effect of like the weave-in of a basket. Good job. And then do it the other way.
Okay.
And then you're gonna go like that way. Hey, there we go. We made it look weaved. This is like a weaved basket. So we're gonna design the eggs however we want, right? But I want you to copy 2 of my eggs and that's it. And then the other 4 you could do however you want, okay?
Okay.
So the first one we're gonna do together is we're gonna make one look like a bunny. And it's gonna look so cute. So we're gonna make bunny ears. I'm gonna choose this one. You could choose whichever one you want to look like a bunny. And we're gonna make the ears, and the ears are gonna be looped. So one of my ears is gonna go behind this string, and I'm gonna pretend it came back down. So what egg are you choosing to make look like a bunny?
All of them.
Not all of them, really? Okay, so look, this is how you do the ear. You're gonna come up and make a big loop. And stop right there. Perfect. Hey, look at your ears. I love it. And then we're gonna make 2 circle eyes. So I'm gonna make 2 circles inside of the egg. Just like that. And those are his eyes.
Whoa.
I'm gonna make little eyebrows and they're gonna look like little frowns. Those are like sad faces. Good job. Those are some really good eyebrows. And then I'm gonna just make, look, a little curve like this for the smiley face. And I'm gonna go like that.
That's so cool.
Oh my god, you're so good at drawing, Lenny.
Thank you.
And then look, I'm gonna make zigzags. So I'm gonna go up like a triangle, back down. On the same egg, yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna do another one and another one, but you don't have to right now, okay? I only did it because I wanted to draw hands. Maybe let me show you. I'm gonna do a zigzag right here. Okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his paws. His paws are gonna be over it. So his paws, you're gonna make 1, 2 loops like that, right above the zigzag. Okay, that's good. That's good, that's good. And then look, we're gonna close it. It looks like a paw. You don't have to make the 2 loops too big, okay? So when you do the next one, right next to it, look, it's small. 1 loop, 2 loop. It's not super big. That's his paw. And look, all you have to do is close it. Close it like that.
Super.
And those are his paws and he's holding it. And then we could color it in however we want. Oh, we could also go like this. Look, we could do 1 inside for the color of his ear and then 1 on this one. Yay, we drew a bunny and we'll draw like the little eyes in and whatever after. But look, you did a good job with your bunny. That's okay, you could do after with color. You don't have to do it with the marker. We're gonna use all these color pencils. And then we're gonna do one more egg, and then you do them however you want, okay? So I'm gonna pick this egg and I'm gonna make a curve like this at the top. And then we're gonna copy the same curve at the bottom. And then we're gonna copy those zigzags. So look, I'm gonna go up on the side and then back down. And then continue it. Go up, back down, and then up and back down. Perfect, I love it. And then we're gonna do the same thing at the bottom. So the same zigzags were made, we're gonna copy. So look, I'm gonna copy what this one looks like. I'm gonna come up here, down there, up here, down there, up here, and then stop. See how it looks the same? Perfect, yay! And then we're gonna copy this. I'm gonna make a curve, and then another curve right under. Look how good that is. Oh my God, you are great at this. And then, guys, we're gonna design the other eggs however we want. You guys could also choose whatever you want. So you could choose like circles, dots, squares, animals, fruits, whatever you could think of. Whatever you could fit in your egg, just draw whatever you want. So we're gonna fast forward the part where we draw the eggs, and then we're also gonna fast forward the part when we color them in. So stay tuned to see how our eggs and the basket look. All right, everyone, so there we have it. There we have our Easter baskets. How was it, Lennox?
Good.
Was it easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Lennox did like a rainbow basket, which I think is so cool. He picked so many funky colors. I tried to do the same thing. I made the weave-in different, but there we have it. So hopefully it was easy for you guys as well. And stay tuned for more cool videos. Bye.
Bye, guys.